So you're wondering how the AWeber Etsy integration works and if it's worth using. In this quick breakdown, I'll show you exactly what it does, where it falls short, and a better alternative if you want more flexibility and automation. Stick around because there's one crucial detail about this integration that most people miss, so you don't waste your time setting it up the wrong way. The AWeber Etsy integration connects your Etsy shop with AWeber's email marketing platform. When someone makes a purchase on Etsy, their email gets added to your AWeber list automatically, assuming they opt in. That's key. Unlike Shopify or other e-commerce platforms, Etsy doesn't allow automatic email collection without explicit customer consent, which can severely limit your list growth. Next thing, automation. AWeber lets you set up automated welcome emails, order follow-ups, and promotional campaigns for repeat customers. This sounds great, but here's the catch. Since Etsy restricts direct email marketing to customers unless they opt in, you're only reaching a fraction of your buyers. If you were hoping for hands-off email marketing to every Etsy customer, this isn't it. Another thing to consider is segmentation. AWeber gives you basic tagging options, so you can organize subscribers based on purchases. But if you're looking for deep behavioral tracking, like open rates, click behavior, or advanced conditional automation, AWeber's integration feels limited compared to other tools that offer deeper CRM-style insights. The fourth thing, pricing. AWeber is reasonably priced for smaller lists, but as your subscriber count grows, costs can add up quickly. Plus, if your Etsy business needs advanced automation, you'll likely find yourself needing extra tools to fill in the gaps. No, don't get me wrong, AWeber is a solid email marketing platform. But if you want a more powerful alternative that gives you better automation, segmentation, and control over your Etsy email marketing, then check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. If you're serious about growing your Etsy business with email marketing, it's worth checking out.